Hi, my name's Matt Franklin. I'm the commercial director here at Avasam, and I've got some exciting news for you. We've got another new supplier that's on the platform at the moment. But before we get into that, just quickly going to show you around the new platform. So we've got the new category tree at the top, which allow you to go into the main categories or subcategories or even subcategories. That will make just sourcing and searching for products a lot easier. I've also put the new banners on for this quarter that'll help you get to a selection of products that might be more suitable for your business at the moment. Don't forget, we've also got the best sellers on both Shopify and eBay. We've got new arrivals. We've got special offers. And the special offers for November will be kicking in, obviously, the 1st of November. And we've got plenty of them, so look out for those. Right, let's get into it. So today we're going to talk about Supplier 259. They're a China dropship supplier of DIY tools. These China suppliers are dispatching and delivering product in 7 days, 7 business days. They're on a track service, but the tracking only kicks in on the last mile. So they use couriers, Royal Mail, and Every on their last mile. So on the 5th day or 6th day, the tracking will kick into place as normal, as it normally would with a UK local courier. And they'll actually tell you if the product's been delivered or not. And then if you've got any issues with returns or products, then you can just raise the tickets as normal and we'll rectify those products and orders for you. You can either use the live chat at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, or you can contact us at support@avasam.com. Right, here we go, into Supplier 259. So I've already put a filter in there, and I've actually put a price filter this time. So I'm sorting from high to low prices, because actually it's not always about the lowest possible denominator in terms of product pricing that wins the game. It's about what is there and what's unusual. So I was having a quick look through the kind of products they've got. They've got a lot of what I call as hobby tools here, as well as mechanical tools, so for commercial garages or for hobbies like woodworking. They've also got some gifting ideas. So let me just talk you through a couple of the products that I found and why I think that you should source them. So the first set is a set of pruners. So if you're selling garden equipment or even live plants, then having a range of products that are associated, it makes perfect sense to me. So I thought this is a good opportunity to show you, because I don't think we've had suppliers with these kind of products on before. And it's a good opportunity to add to your customer's basket. If they're sourcing live plants, for instance, then try and get them to buy into some of the hardware as well, make some margin off those. I've seen these kind of products selling over £10, so good opportunity there. One of the products that I used to sell on TV shopping is this product. So it's a wrench, but it actually fits a lot of different bolts and sizes. Even if the bolt's slightly damaged, this will be able to lock and unlock the product, especially if it's in an awkward position where you can't get the bench or the spanner around the actual bolt itself. So I love this idea and I love these products, and there'll be different sizes of those wrenches. Obviously, we're into the gifting season, so having a multi-tool for anyone in your life, it doesn't have to be a man in your life, it can be anyone in your life that would like this kind of product. Obviously, there's some brands out there that are very expensive. This product looks like it does the job. Also, basic products like Titanium's household scissors. Again, great spec rather than just going for some cheap ones. And also, again, because we don't really have this kind of product category, or we haven't got this product category before, gloves, especially so DIY gloves or gloves for multi-uses. Love this kind of idea and love this kind of product, especially going into the colder times of the year. Also, if you've never seen this product before, this is a perfect product to get a sample of and actually show it in action with a piece of video and sell it with a piece of video. So this is a screwdriver extractor set, and it comes in use when you've got a screw with a broken head. Normally happens with Phillips, where you've tried to use an electric drill and it's broken the head, this will extract that for you. A really useful set of tools, basically. Another useful set of tools is these magnetic holders for drill bits. Instead of unlocking the drill every time that you need to change it from a drill to a screw head, actually using these are much easier to use. So there's plenty of opportunity with this supplier. Supplier 259, they're a China dropship supplier from the Far East, delivered in 7 days on a track service. So hopefully you've got some inspiration there to go and source from this new supplier, and I will speak to you very soon. Thanks a lot.